Hi, I'm Grant, and if you've ever used a lawnmower, you'll know that the Victa brand has always been synonymous with bringing innovation and technology to the market to make that job easier. A lot of people these days are very task-rich and time-poor, but they still want to have a great-looking lawn. As such, we've developed a new product called the Victa RM100. This is a robot mower. It operates autonomously, and you're going to come home to have a great-looking manicured lawn waiting for you every time. The Victa RM100 robot mower also comes with a host of smart features, including perimeter bump sensors, lift sensors, even a rain sensor. If the robot mower is out operating during a downpour, it'll automatically detect that and go back to its base station. And if you're concerned about children or pets coming in contact with the mower, if it happens to be picked up or flipped over, it'll automatically shut down. The robot mower also comes with a number of security features, one of them being an audible alarm. If someone tries to take the mower outside of its perimeter wire or specified area, the alarm will sound. Also, if the mower gets caught or hung up, an audible alarm will also sound. You can also put your own PIN number into the mower, something that you'll only be able to access. In the event someone tries to take the unit away and use it elsewhere, it's not going to work for them. When you're doing your initial setup with the Victa Robot Mower RM100, you're going to have to use a regular mower to bring the grass height down to your desired height. What the robot mower cannot do is go into quite long grass and operate as a slasher. It'll just get jammed up. Once you've got your selected height and the robot mower is operating, you can actually adjust the height that you'd like your grass to be. There's an adjustment knob on top of the mower from 20 to 60 mil, so that it's infinitely adjustable and you can select the desired height of your grass once the mower's been in operation. Once you've got the Victa RM100 set up and programmed in a specified area of your property, the mower is going to come out on its own. It's going to cut your grass and it's going to do it regularly so that you're not going to have a large area of grass trail or mulch that you're going to have to clean up. Once it's finished doing its cutting task during that specified time, it'll return to its base station and put itself back on charge. And because it's super quiet, you can even have it operating overnight, which means you don't even have to look at the mower and you can wake up in the morning to a beautifully manicured lawn. The Victa RM100 comes with everything you need to set it up in the box. But down the track, if you need extra bits like perimeter cable, pegs or cable joiners, these are going to be able to be purchased separately as accessories. And also for a limited time, by redemption, you can get at no extra charge to go with your RM100, a garage. If you'd like to know more about this product, you can visit one of our dealers, Bunnings, or go to victa.com.